talk about how can you fix this problem on your Yuka app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here. So then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Yuka app here, or just click here on search. So then here add Yuka app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click here on Forcestop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage here, then you come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you go here to your Play Store, click on it, then you will find here Yuka app. You will find here, so you search for Yuka app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.